The secret box of Sunbeams. Someone once asked me, "What is the most special thing you own?" I thought and thought. My toys? My books? They were nice, but I could get new ones. Then I remembered my secret box. It wasn't filled with gold or jewels. It was filled with something much more valuable. Photographs of my family and friends. Each photograph is like a captured sunbeam, a happy memory I can hold in my hand. Some pictures are of people who are not with us anymore, and these are the most precious sunbeams of all. I would be so sad if I ever lost my box of sunbeams. Memories are like stars in the night sky of our minds. They connect us to the past. I remember the sunny days at the beach, building sandcastles and splashing in the waves. I close my eyes and I can almost feel the warm sun on my face. I also remember the rainy days when I felt sad, but even the sad memories are a part of my story, and I wouldn't want to forget them. People come into our lives like butterflies, and sometimes they fly away. But they always leave behind a little bit of their colorful dust, a memory for us to keep. When I look at my photographs, all the memories come rushing back, like a happy river flowing into my heart. I see pictures of my friends when we were little, and I remember all the fun games we used to play. I see pictures from our family trips, and I remember all the amazing places we saw. Even the pictures of ordinary days are special, because we can never live those days again. So hold your memories tight and keep them in a special place, close to your heart.